Blimey, it's cold today. Right, what we're going to show you. Let's have a look at the fish finder and all its functions, the spec and how it works.
This is a Lucky fish finder receiver. It comes in a rubberized case. It has a 2.8 inch colour screen which is backlit. The unit's rechargeable by using a USB-C type connector. It's the same sort of connector that a lot of the older Samsung phones use. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you through the settings. To flick between the menus, you use the center button, and then to adjust your settings you use the left and the right key. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you through the settings. All you do is you click that middle button there, and then that will take you through the menu. And then once you've made your adjustments, all you do is you just leave it for 4 seconds, and then that will auto save. You don't need to press enter or change anything else. It's also got a nice little feature where you can turn the fish alarm on, and I've set mine to come on just when there's a large fish in the area. Right, I'm going to change that to simulation just so you can see what's going on. Right, there you go. So you can see the screen there. It's travelling fairly quickly from the right to the left. And you can see top left hand corner you've got your depths. Now that depth there is in correlation to the extreme right of the screen. So you'll notice there's a graph there to the right, and you can see it's quite clearly there that the green is weed. You'll also notice that the fish there have the depths recorded just on top of them. Now that's a sensitivity. I usually like to have mine around 4 or 5 because I don't like the screen to be too cluttered. You'll also notice towards the top of the left hand side of the screen you've got your water temperature. You see that's changing, but like I say, this is just simulation mode to give you an idea of what's going on. I do apologise for the flickering on the screen. This isn't an ideal situation to test it, but I tried doing it outside and it was even worse with the glare off the sky. So yeah, hence me doing it inside. So if we turn the chart speed down now, and I'll show you how that affects the screen travel. There you go. That's probably a little bit too slow. I usually have it on 4 or sometimes 5.
Okay guys, cheers for watching. If you do like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. So just click on that icon there on the screen, and don't forget to hit the bell notification.